Good morning. It's day 4 at Bear Paw. We're getting ready again. Lauren's making sandwiches. We're all getting ready. We're about to go on the boat. Officially this time, because last time it was raining. Sorry, there's a glare. Okay. We will see you there. It's time to go. Next clip you'll see us on the boat, so we're leaving now. Mom is saying hi. What are you doing? Are you dabbing? What is that? You're doing yoga? Alright, well, we're on the boat, but it looks like it's gonna storm again, so we're deciding if we're gonna swim or not.
And that black went that way, see?
Oh, there goes Lauren. Lauren just went in the water, so... Oh, God. It's raining. And now we're in the rain. But look, there's blue sky right there, so I don't get it. Alright, well, we're in the rain.
I don't care about these getting wet, necessarily. Because I weigh
Alright.
I'm a literal
don't.
whale. I'm gonna sit back.
Stop. Alright, we're going to a friend's house, I guess, to use their dock and go inside if we have to, because it's a little stormy outside right now. And it's raining. Okay. That's all I wanted to say for now. Say hi. Alright, so we're on the dock now. This tree fell over. So, yeah, they almost died because this tree right here fell over right before they left. She almost died.
We almost died.
Because of that tree.
Wasn't our time.
They said it was leaning like this. Sorry.
This.
It's okay. Somebody running. It's Ella. Oh God. Well, it wasn't raining, but now it is now. Now it is now? But now it is. It's raining really badly. We were safe over there, but now we're in the rain on the boat. We're stuck in the rain. That's great. We love that. Well, it's raining really badly and it's thundering and lightning.
Go.
Hi guys. Well, after that traumatic experience in the lake, we're just chilling because we almost died. So we're just chilling by the pool. I'm probably gonna just eat later. Yeah.
And she's loving him with that body, I just know it. And she's holding him in his arms late at night. Dun 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 dun. Jesse's girl. Dun 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 dun. This is I'm Jesse's girl. Dun 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 dun. Why can't I find a woman like that? I play along with the charade.
There doesn't seem to be a reason to change. You know, I feel so dirty when they start talking to you.
I forgot the lyrics for the second verse of the song.
Oh my god, you can't even see my face.
Why can't I find a woman like that? Oh, just kidding. I wish that I had Jesse's girl.
Wish that I had Jesse's girl. We're gonna find
a woman like that.
Oh God! Oh God!
Alright, well, we forgot drinks and stuff at the lake. So now we're going back to get them.
Yeah, that's just up. Ella, let's go.
Yeah.
Good girl.
And then we're gonna have food. We're eating burgers again. So yeah, we're going back. See you later, possibly.
Nothing like a smoky bathing suit.
I'll tell you, smoky bathing suit or smoking bathing suit?
I look tan in my face.
Do you think this is wide enough? Yeah, this is perfect.
Food time. Stop. Ka-chow. Speed. I am speed.
And then what was the other one that the green car says after he stole his saying? Kachiga. Kachiga. Kachiga.
Stop.
Kachiga.
Lauren, Dad, ate right here. No? There's another one for you.
Well, the editing process is happening now.
Yeah.
Oh my god, stop. We think it's about to rain because it's thundering lightly.
Is that where we started?
Yes. There's a fair amount of videos today.
All the way down to where?
The burgers in that shot of the last shot.
That one?
No. Keep going. Further. No. That one. That's the last shot. Okay. I guess we're just gonna sit out here and just watch the thunderstorm because it's raining like the beach.
And do the bowling tonight. You have to share the password with me.
Ella.
Share me.
Ella. I'm gonna go get in the shower. We can put this on the charger.
He'll say 2 aces and then put them down like this, so you can't see them. So you put them down like this. And so then Lucian would go and he would say 3 2s because he has to be a 2, and he'll put it down. And he can lie because you're trying to get rid of your cards as fast as you can. 7s. I have a 7 in my deck right now. So if it gets to me, which I'm not going to be 7 by the way.
Yeah, hold on a second. 3 6s.
That's not good.
Thank you, Dylan, for offering.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Lucian. Shuffle those cards. Get it going. I'm all on it.
It's raining? Or is it just the wind?
I bet it's our air conditioning.
What's that? What's the...
I'm going to play a lying game. I'm going
Okay,
to
well, we're
lie,
gonna be
lie,
catching you.
lie out my lying wazoo.
We're going to catch you, James.
Lauren looked at me like, oh my lord.
Get ready for the lie fest.
Okay, guys. Well, it's the end of the vlog. Alright, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. What is that? Hit the bell notification. And I will see you tomorrow.
Toodaloo.
Alright. Well, it'll be me and Ella tomorrow. Hello. Oh, and John. Ow!
Come here.